Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fermented sweet red bean paste, or we call it Hakko Anko or Koji Anko. Normally, Anko or sweet red bean paste is made by cooking Azuki beans with white sugar. Fermented sweet red bean paste or Hakko Anko or Koji Anko, however, is sweet red bean paste made without sugar, using the natural power of koji. It is delicious, nourishing, and can be enjoyed in many ways, such as an oguratoast in Zenzai or Azuki soy milk latte. I highly recommend giving it a try. Rinse the Azuki beans. Place the beans in plenty of water, about 600 milliliters, in a pot and bring to a boil. Once boiling, cook for 5 minutes, then drain. This removes the bitterness of the beans. Rinse the beans, rinse the pot as well. Return the beans to the pot and add fresh water, about 600 milliliters. Simmer over low heat for about 1 hour until the beans can be easily crushed between 2 fingers. Once koji is added, the beans will not soften further, so make sure the Azuki beans are fully cooked beforehand. Drain the beans, separating them from the cooking liquid. Reserve the liquid. Let the beans cool to about 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cooked Azuki beans, ricekoji, and 150 grams of the reserved cooking liquid into the rice cooker inner pot and mix well. If the mixture seems dry, add more cooking liquid, little by little, until it reaches thick and pasty consistency. Set the rice cooker to keep warm, cover with a damp cloth, and leave the lid open. Every 1 to 2 hours, mash the beans slightly while stirring well. This helps bring out the sweetness. Koji becomes inactive about 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit, while its activity weakens below 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Try to keep the temperature around 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit at all times. When the beans become smooth and develop a natural sweetness similar to mirin, the fermented sweet red bean paste is ready. Let it cool, then store in the refrigerator. You can keep the fermented sweet red bean paste in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or in the freezer for up to 1 month. This time we enjoyed it with Zenzai, oguratoast with extra virgin olive oil, and Azuki soy milk latte. To make Zenzai, toast mochi or rice cake in an oven or oven toaster. Combine about 150 grams of fermented sweet red bean paste with 50 grams of hot water and heat it up on the stove or in a microwave. Place the toasted mochi on top. For oguratoast, spread the fermented sweet red bean paste on a piece of toast and drizzle high-quality extra virgin olive oil, or place a piece of butter and sprinkle fleur de sel or sun-dried salt. To make Azuki soy milk latte, just add soy milk to fermented sweet red bean paste. You can enjoy it hot or cold. I hope you enjoy making this delicious fermented sweet red bean paste and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.